P1803911. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the court, Vassal Johnson II on behalf of Mr. Green. He's on Zoom.
Good morning to you, Mr. Green. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. Brandon Michael Green.
Very good. Good morning to you, Mr. Johnson. What's the set for?
Pre-trial.
You want a trial date?
He wants to take the resolution to the 6-month delay.
He doesn't want to. He doesn't want to fight, huh?
No,
He
sir.
has no fight in him, huh?
He's got some fight though.
I don't see it. No fight in you, huh, Mr. Green?
I got fight in me. Just came with him.
You want a trial date then? If you want a trial date, or you want to go just take the deal. This deal is run of the mill.
I'm gonna take the deal.
You can get that all day, every day. Raise your right hand, sir. Do you have any money? Let me ask you that.
Yeah, I got money.
All right, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Judge.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Johnson went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know about taking the deal you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
And anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
I'm going to ask you one last time. Do you want a trial date or you want to take the deal?
Take the deal.
October 6, 2025 at around 12:06 a.m. in the city of Detroit near Grand River and Griswold. What's over there? Were you over there around that date and that time?
Yes, Judge. I was over there with some friends at a bar.
And at a bar. And all I see is trespassing at 200 Grand River, Mr. Johnson.
Yes, Your Honor. Same here.
Well, he's at a bar. How does it get to be trespassing, Mr. Green?
We're in the area later than we're supposed to be. I was waiting on some friends.
What?
I was waiting on some friends in the area later than we were supposed to be.
Later than what you're supposed to be. What are you're not a juvenile, are you?
No, sir. I was with some friends at a bar, and it was just they were like rowdy and stuff, so they asked us to leave, so I was just waiting on some friends in the area, and yeah, that's what happened.
It's just I'm getting little pieces. He's not really coming clean.
I was in the area with some friends at a bar, and they were rowdy, so they asked us to leave. So I waited outside for the friends, and they asked me to leave, but I stayed in the area to wait on the friends that were still in the bar. So
how is that trespassing, Mr. Johnson?
Well, because they called the cops and said I was still in the area after they asked me to leave.
I don't care what they did. So they're telling you you can't stand out at 200 Grand River where they own the street and sidewalk and everything?
Well, in front of the establishment, I guess I don't know. I guess they felt
you
like
don't even know, do you?
I don't know. I guess they felt
just
I was
pleading
trespassing.
guilty just to plead guilty, huh?
No, I just
say that, Judge.
Right, Mr. Johnson?
Not for Mr. Green, no.
Well, how he can't stand out in front of he left the establishment, didn't he?
I'm not sure at what point he was asked to leave. He might have been inside and he was still inside, and then he was still outside, something like that.
Well, this is what I'm asking him. This is what I'm asking him. He said that he's in there. They got rowdy. They asked him to leave. He went outside and he stayed in front of the building and waited on his friends. That's what I heard him say.
Yes, Judge.
I heard that correctly.
Yes, Judge.
So
yes,
the question is, do they own all of that to make you be able to get off the sidewalk? Who owns that?
I don't know. I believe I'm under the impression they called the cops while we were still in there, and as I got outside and was still waiting around,
See what
that's
I'm
when
saying? You don't even know.
I don't know the whole thing. I mean, I'm just going based off what I think. I think they called him while we were in there. I came outside. Moments later, they showed up.
And this is why I'm saying, Mr. Johnson, I don't know if you can't help him voir dire him better than that. I don't know if I don't know if I don't hear what I don't hear is any trespassing illegality.
You mind if can I go into a breakout room later with them?
Yeah, go into a breakout room later with him. Now, I don't know about you, but if I didn't have a driver's license and for some reason was just had to drive and break the law, I wouldn't be doing it and drawing attention to myself going 16 to 20 over speed. I did look at his allegations. Some of them are allegations because they've already been gone into default, so that makes responsibility. To his credit, I only see just a few out of all these pages moving violations. And it's more than enough. Failure to stop, disregard of traffic control device, failure to stop, unsafe manner. That speeding ticket is still an allegation. So, and you had supposed to go to work today? What time? Where do you work? Heights. How do you plan on getting there? All right, outside. Did you ever ask for an attorney? I thought he was my attorney.
I need him to speak up much louder.
I thought he was my attorney. Yeah, well, he's only here just, with all these tickets. He can do it. He's a very good attorney, but you have this false ID case. Do you have, how much money do you have on? Right now, probably like $300.
What was the amount, sir?
Like 300 and some change. Do you have tickets in other jurisdictions? Yes, the other jurisdictions I called, one of them wanted me to turn myself in. And what jurisdiction is that? I want to say and I called Warren. They said that they was gonna call me back to schedule the court. Yeah, I had one more somewhere else. I think they want me to turn myself in or pay $325, something like that. But I was going to turn myself in with them, but I didn't know how it goes, so I know I had to court date, so I didn't know that. When do you plan on turning yourself in? I was going to do it after I do all this. We're gonna do it before then. You have 3 other courthouses, right? Warren, Farmington Hills, and the same place. So he's all over the tri-county area everywhere. Getting tickets. All going to work. Every time you go to work, you get stopped, huh? All right, I'm trying to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 5 times 45. 5. $225. I need you to go downstairs. Ms. Mathis, I'm gonna allow him to pay these reinstatement fees up front. So what's gonna happen with these reinstatement fees? It's gonna be, it's 5 of them that I count. Now, you're gonna, with the understanding that you're gonna pay all these tickets off at some point. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna allow you to pay these reinstatement fees up front. Nobody else is gonna do this for you. I guarantee you that. We're trying to make sure you get a valid license, sir. And it's documented. If that 225 downstairs, once Ms. Mathis gets this in the system and pay these fees up front, we'll get you clearances here, I believe. I don't know whether this false ID is gonna, I'm gonna appoint you an attorney. Somebody can take a nice, long, hard look at this, but Mr. Berry doesn't have the benefit of doing that because he sees you right now and he's expecting you to make a deal or get you trial date. I think I have them all. Except P 174, he doesn't, I will set that default aside. The city has no objection. He can be heard on that. The ones that are years old, and we're not gonna do anything with those. All right. I'm gonna set a, I need a good phone number from you.
313-762-3255.
I'm gonna appoint, I'm gonna have an appointed attorney call you. 762-3255. I'm gonna set another pre-trial date for January the 16th, 2026. Please don't try me again. All right. January 16th, 2026. Ms. Mathis is gonna give you some paperwork, go down there and pay for that stuff. Make sure you come back up and show Ms. Mathis the paper.